Welcome to your midweek update with Tredomatix Daily Financial News. We've got the latest headlines and expert insights to keep you on top of market movements. Be sure to subscribe and explore more at Tredomatix.com for in-depth market breakdowns. And in U.S. equities news, Wall Street closed higher on Tuesday, recovering from Monday's losses. The tech sector led gains as investors shifted focus to inflation data and the third-quarter earnings season. The S&P 500 climbed nearly 1%, boosted by tech heavyweights like NVIDIA, which saw its biggest one-day jump in a month, up by 4.1%. Other tech giants, including Apple and Tesla, also posted solid gains. Lower Treasury yields spurred the demand for high-growth tech stocks. The Nasdaq surged 1.45%, while the Dow saw more modest gains. Traders remain focused on the Federal Reserve's next steps, with an 89% chance priced in for a 25 basis point rate cut in November. Next up, in Forex news, the dollar remained strong, hovering near its 7-week high. Investors are now awaiting U.S. inflation data due on Thursday, which could significantly impact currency movements. The New Zealand dollar took a hit, falling to its lowest since August after the Reserve Bank of New Zealand cut interest rates by 50 basis points, signaling further cuts ahead. With last week's strong jobs data, the market expects a slower path to U.S. rate cuts, driving further dollar strength across major currencies. Shifting to global markets, China's stock market rally fizzled out, with the Shanghai Composite falling over 5% on Wednesday, its biggest drop since February 2020. Disappointment over the lack of concrete stimulus from Beijing has shaken investor confidence, especially in China-exposed assets like commodities and currencies. European markets are feeling the pressure as well, with miners and luxury stocks sliding further. The Australian dollar, closely tied to China's economic health, also slid to new lows, reflecting market concerns. Finally, in commodities, oil prices steadied after a sharp drop earlier this week. Brent crude traded at $77.40 per barrel, up slightly as Middle East tensions and demand uncertainties continue to weigh on sentiment. Meanwhile, gold prices remain subdued, holding around $2,620 per ounce as investors brace for key U.S. inflation data later this week. Gold's performance has been underwhelming, with markets awaiting the next major trigger from the Federal Reserve and U.S. inflation figures. And that's a wrap for today's episode. If you enjoyed the content, hit the like button and share your thoughts below. Subscribe to stay connected with daily updates, and we'll be back tomorrow with more insights. Stay sharp.